Hi, it's Mike VA3MW from FlexRadio. I'm going to take you through a quick tour of how to set up WSJT to work in SmartSDR 4.2 and greater. Remember at 4.2, we changed the DAX, which is the Digital Application Exchange, to a new version. So let's have a quick peek of what's going on. First off, I'm going to assume you already have WSJT installed. Highly recommend you get the latest version. I'm doing this at version 3 of WSJT-X. Let's first look at the settings in the actual radio. So we're going to be in DigiU for 20, this happens to be on 20 meters on FT8. Bandwidth is 3 kilohertz. These are all getting started points. And over here on the right, we want this DAX on. This means that the audio, the transmit audio, is going to come from the application, WSJT, or any other digital application. You need this turned on to plumb the audio through to the transmitter. One last thing is over here on DAX, we want this on channel 1. And that channel 1 is this channel 1. So keep that in mind, channel 1. And that we're also going to use, you may have to create this by adding a port, but look to make sure you may already have this C, which means for cat control, port 5002. It's assigned to slice A and auto switch TX. Auto switch TX means that if I insert a push to talk from the application connected to this port, a port's just like a physical connection, and we share ports throughout the computer. It's like a phone extension. But when we turn on push to talk with a cat command, that it's going to do it on this slice. We can edit that slice. I just tap the edit button, and we can call this WSJTx, slice A if you want. Totally up to you. And you can see that it's assigned port 5002 slice A. It's enabled, and just leave everything else the same. That's good. Now let's the radio setup. Now let's look at WSJT. So we'll get me over here, and we don't need this anymore. We're going to File, Settings. In general, there are many discussions about how to set all this up. Generally, my call, my grid, your region. This is not critical for the Flex setup. Going to go to the audio next, and you're going to change this to DAX RX1. And that DAX RX1, like I said a minute ago, is this RX1, which is assigned to this VFO or slice. If you drop that down, you'll see there's a whole bunch. DAX RX1. If you still have the older version installed, you'll see more. Their names are actually longer, but DAX RX1 for most of you. And the output is where we send the transmit audio to DAX TX. That's TX audio. It goes from here. We'll bring this back up. It comes in this TX stream here. This has to be turned on like we said. And while you're in transmit, I want you to watch this level control here. And if that needs to be about -5 dB, not full scale, and you can adjust that level by moving this slider here. We'll do that when we finish, just to make sure it's set up okay. You're halfway there. We've got the audio set up. We should be receiving, and we can be transmitting audio. So let's do the cat control, which is how we change frequency. And by the way, DAX is only used for digital programs, very, very, very seldom used for sideband. So over to the radio. I picked FlexRadio X6000. You may, by the way, want to update HamLive. I pushed that a few minutes ago, but that should be okay. Then we're going to type in exactly this, 127.0.0.1. This funky number means we're going to communicate just with this computer, and it bypasses the firewall if you have a firewall turned on. And remember the port, 5002? Well, that's the same port here, 5002 right there. Great. And push to talk is going to be cat, meaning we're going to send this as a computer command. You do not need Vox, and leave everything else the same. We're going to hit the test button, and we're going to get a green bar. Little bit of advanced stuff. If you actually want to see the commands floating around, we can highlight this and click the log button down here for you geeky guys, and you'll see that this are actually the commands being sent to the radio. And now that test works, we want to test if push to talk works. Watch down here and see if my radio goes into transmit, and it does. And I'll take it out of transmit, and I'll close the log, and you could parse all those logs if you want. You know what? We're done. One more thing, let's check our audio level. I'm going to select OK. We'll get rid of the waterfall. Do not close that. And do not close this, but just shrink it down. And I'll give it some RF power. I'm actually into a dummy load. Remember I said, now we want to set the audio level. I'm going to hit tune. And we'll bring DAX back up. You can leave it in tune for a minute. And you'll see here, watch this level here, if I go up or down. So set this tune. So I don't know, I guess not overdriving it. It's about there. You'll have a beautiful clean signal and be able to make all sorts of QSOs on FT8. I'm going to take it out of tune. And that's how you set up WSJT for FT8 or any of the other modes it has for a FlexRadio SmartSDR 4.2 or greater. 7.3, my name is Mike, VA3MW. Take care. I hope that was helpful.